In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Dow Jones Industrial Average to your TradingView platform. Whether you're an experienced trader or just beginning your journey, having the Dow Jones at your fingertips can be incredibly useful for market analysis. Let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure you get the most accurate and efficient setup for your TradingView dashboard. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your TradingView page where you'll see the search bar. This is your gateway to the vast array of market information available on the platform. In this search bar, you'll need to type in the symbol for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is TVC-DJI. Once you've typed it in, TradingView will present you with options in a drop-down menu. Select Dow Jones Industrial Average Index from this list to proceed. This brings up a live chart of the Dow Jones, presenting you with the most current market data available. Now, with the live chart open, you have several options to customize your TradingView experience. You can add the Dow Jones chart to your layout. This is particularly helpful if you frequently analyze multiple charts simultaneously and want to ensure that the Dow Jones is always readily available. Adjust the specific time frames and indicators to suit your trading strategy. Perhaps you prefer to conduct a technical analysis using specific moving averages or trend lines. Or maybe you focus on different time frames to get a well-rounded view of market movements. TradingView's robust features allow you to tailor the view to align perfectly with your trading style. Having the Dow Jones not just on your screen but also in your watch list greatly enhances accessibility. To include it in your watch list, you'll need to click the plus icon found next to your current list on the right sidebar. This feature enables you to quickly switch between different assets or indices with just a few clicks. Enter TVC-DJI into the search once more, and when the drop-down option appears, click Add. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average will be part of your watch list, seamlessly integrating into your daily trading routine. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added the Dow Jones Industrial Average to your TradingView setup. Keeping prominent indices like the Dow Jones at your fingertips can significantly streamline your decision-making process and enhance your overall market analysis. Feel free to customize and tweak the settings further as you become more comfortable with the platform. Enjoy the newfound ease in monitoring one of the world's leading stock indices, and happy trading.